Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a common issue many Salesforce users face: the dreaded password not working problem. Whether you have forgotten your password or are experiencing a login error, we've got you covered. Now, first off, let's start with the basics. If your password isn't working, the first thing to try is the forgot password link. Now, I want you to go to the login page. For example, if the product is Salesforce, click this option right here. All right. Now, you might want to type in the username and click on continue. Now, as you can see, they have sent an email with a link to finish resetting your password. All right. So let's check your email. In my case, I have received the instructions from the Salesforce, and all I have to do is click this link right here and you would be forwarded to the instructions and just follow along. All right. Now, once you've done that, use a password manager to keep track of your passwords, ensure your caps lock isn't on when typing your password, and of course, you might want to clear your browser's cache if you have trouble logging in. Now, another option that you can do is, if the above methods doesn't work, I want you to click on the Salesforce help on the upper right corner and go to get support. And click on confirm. And you would be forwarded here in this section wherein you can create a case if in case all of the options that you did is not working. Basically, we need some intervention from the technical support staff. They will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the issue if you're having problems. Wait for it to load, and once it's loaded, you'll be receiving a case support here where you can create a ticket. Right? Click this button right here, and there's going to be a subject. Type it in and the description. You see, one of the potential solutions is the help articles and supporting documentation. It will appear once they have diagnosed your problem. You can also add in collaborators, enter their email or search by name, and if you wanted to upload like a screenshot or like a file of the issue that you're experiencing, you are welcome to do so. After creating a case, just wait for the email from the official support staff. And also, if you are using the Salesforce mobile app, you can try logging in there, because sometimes the app handles the authentication differently. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.